the Reign of King Aslan. In the lush, vibrant jungle of Akara, King Aslan ruled with strength and wisdom. The animals admired and respected him, for he maintained harmony and fairness among all. The jungle was flourishing and life was peaceful under his leadership. One fateful summer, a severe drought struck the jungle. Rivers ran dry and the green foliage turned brown. The animals grew restless and fearful as water became scarce. Tensions rose and whispers of doubt spread through the jungle. Some questioned whether Aslan's reign could weather this storm. Determined to restore peace and balance, Aslan decided to seek counsel from Surya, the elder lion who lived atop the great mountain. The journey was perilous, but Aslan's resolve was unshakable. After days of climbing steep cliffs and navigating treacherous paths, he finally reached the summit. Surya welcomed Aslan and listened to his concerns. After a long discussion, Surya revealed the existence of the Valley of Life, a hidden paradise with an eternal spring. He urged Aslan to lead his pride there, assuring him that it was the key to saving the jungle. Returning from the great mountain, Aslan gathered the jungle inhabitants. With renewed confidence, he shared Surya's guidance and urged them to follow him. Though some animals hesitated, fearing the unknown, they ultimately chose to trust their king. The journey to the Valley of Life was long and arduous. The animals faced steep cliffs, dense thickets, and scorching heat. Many grew weary, but Aslan's unwavering spirit and encouragement kept them moving forward. He protected the weak and led with determination. After days of exhausting travel, they arrived at the hidden Valley of Life. The animals gasped in awe as they beheld the lush greenery and clear waters. The sight of the spring brought tears of joy and relief. They drank deeply, their faith in Aslan restored.
To watch more, subscribe.